Hello, I'm Alexander from Cyber Acoustics Tech Support. Today I'm going to be going over some frequently asked questions and troubleshooting tips about the CA Essential Docking Station DS2000. Number 1. Why do both monitors show the same display?
The DS2000 does not support dual video on a Mac.
However, on a Windows machine, if you press the Windows key plus P, make sure you're set to extend. You might be on duplicate. Number 2. When using a DisplayPort to HDMI adapter cable, I am getting no video. If you're using a DisplayPort to HDMI adapter cable, the cable must be an active cable. In the description of the cable, it'll say active. Number 3. Why does my internet keep cutting in and out? As always, make sure that your router has been reset, double check all your connections, and try out different cables. For some folks, we found that 2 additional driver settings may need to be disabled on some computers: idle power savings and energy efficient Ethernet in the device manager under the Advanced tab specifically for the Realtek USB GBE family controller network adapter properties has helped with the Ethernet dropping issue. Don't know how to do that? No worries. Let's go ahead and walk through it. To start, I'm going to go down to the search bar and go to my device manager. I'm just going to type in device manager. There it is. So now that we're here in the device manager, go to network adapters and left click the down caret. Next, go to Realtek USB GBE family controller. Mine says number 2. Double click it and go to the Advanced tab. Under the Advanced tab, find idle power saving. Here it is. And make sure it's disabled. I've already disabled mine. Now go to energy efficient Ethernet. That's right here. Make sure that that value is also disabled. I've already disabled mine. Now, click OK. That should help, but if it doesn't, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Number 4. Why can't I read and write to an SSD HDD or optical CD DVD Blu-ray drive when connected to the docking station adapter? Some external SSD HDD optical drives require higher power than what your docking station adapter can support. It is recommended that you connect external SSD HDD optical drives to your computer directly. That's it. That's the top 4 most frequently asked questions and problems with the DS2000.
As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at techsupport@cyberacoustics.com or by our website, cyberacoustics.com, and go to the Contact Support section. We're always happy to help. Have a great day.